Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the art of emptying the mind during meditation, or quieting the chatter of thoughts. Is a common aspiration for many meditators. While it may seem impossible, there are several techniques you can use to cultivate a sense of calm and stillness within. Focus on your breath. One of the most powerful tools in meditation is the breath. Begin by bringing your awareness to the sensation of the breath as it flows in and out of your body. Notice the rise and fall of your chest or the feeling of air passing through your nostrils. Whenever your mind starts to wander, gently guide your focus back to the breath. Another effective technique is to use a mantra or a simple phrase to anchor your attention. Choose a word or phrase that resonates with you, such as peace, calm, or stillness, and repeat it silently with each inhale and exhale. Practice mindfulness. Instead of trying to suppress or control your thoughts, practice mindfulness by observing them without judgment. Imagine yourself sitting by the banks of a river, watching your thoughts float by like leaves on the water. Allow them to come and go, returning your attention to the present moment. Focus on your senses. Bring your attention to your senses by noticing the sights, sounds, smells, tastes, and sensations around you. This can help anchor you in the present moment and draw your focus away from any racing thoughts. Visualize a clear sky. Close your eyes and visualize your mind as a clear blue sky. Whenever a thought arises, imagine it as a passing cloud. Watch it drift across the sky and then gently let it go, returning your attention to the vast expanse of clear blue above. Remember, the goal of emptying the mind is not to eliminate thoughts altogether, but rather to create a space of peace and tranquility within. Be patient with yourself and trust that with consistent practice, you can cultivate a quieter mind. Whether you choose to focus on your breath, use a mantra, practice mindfulness, engage your senses, or visualize a clear sky, there are many techniques you can explore to empty the mind during meditation. Thank you for joining us on this journey to quiet the mind. We hope these techniques serve you well on your path to inner peace. Until next time.